Today I'll talk about news and right to be forgotten. Giving news after a long time may have an impact on the so-called right to be forgotten or right to oblivion, such as the right not to be exposed indefinitely under the spotlight of reputation. There may be different situations. The revival of personal information in journalism after some time, the republication of old articles that contain personal data, and moreover the newspapers, the online archive of newspapers, and the availability of such archives contained in the websites of newspaper through external search engines. Regarding the first topic, the fundamental criterion of a journalist who has to decide whether or not to publish a news story is the relevance, the existence of public interest. If you want to publish a news story already published in the past, you have to verify whether or not this public interest still exists. If you want to publish news stories already published in the past, you have to verify whether or not this public interest still exists at the time of the republication. In fact, the Italian Supreme Court held that the fact that the news is relevant, actual, current at the moment of the publication and or the republication is one of the conditions of the publication and the republication itself. In this assessment, you have to take into account different factors. For instance, if the person to whom the news refers is a personality or not. Moreover, new facts may occur, and these new facts may make a no more actual news actual indeed. For instance, the beginning of the second degree of a criminal proceeding. Regarding a second topic, usually online newspaper archives are indexed and made available for search engines queries. In this framework, some people found that by entering their name or a surname into a search engine, links to bad and or old articles or news appeared. For instance, an arrest which took place several years before. As a result, many people asked the Italian Data Protection Authority to issue an order of cancellation of the link to the news or of the news itself. It is the problem of the past that never passes. For instance, an article may refer of a person who has been prosecuted, but subsequently this person may have been declared innocent. The solution found in some cases by the Italian Data Protection Authority is to balance the various interests involved: the right to be forgotten, the purpose of research and historical documentation, the freedom of information through the use of internet. The authority has therefore ordered to suspend the availability of the news through external search engines, notwithstanding the existence of the page in the archive of newspaper available through internal search engines. Maybe in the future it will be possible to find different common solutions, for instance, to allow subjects to request to place a note, an attachment at the bottom of the page where there is an article outdated. However, keep on following our Lawyers Monday and our IPT Italy blog.